In this video, I'm going to show you how you can play N64 games, that's Nintendo 64, on your Android device, be it a phone or a tablet. Now what you need is an N64 emulator. Now there are a couple in Google Play that I've tried, but they don't work very well. They're kind of stuttery even on a high-end phone. I'm using a Galaxy S3 and it's stuttering on that, so likely you won't have very much luck with these, but I'll just show you in here. If we go N64 emulator, there's a couple that come up here, and I've tried these, but none of them are very good, and some of them throw a lot of adware on your phone. What I suggest you do instead is you go and do a search on N64oid. And the first one you'll see here, N64oid on Slide Me. And it has a cost of $4.99. So you can purchase and download this. It's a very small cost. Now I'm going to tell you that you can get this for free from file sharing sites. I do not condone it, but you can easily find it. For instance, this is version 2.7. You can find older versions by doing, like, ForShared here has version 2.63, which is a little bit older. So if you don't have a problem with this, then you could go and do that. But I suggest that you support the development of it for a small price here. Okay, so once you have that downloaded, you need to get it over to your phone. So open up your computer, and then your phone should be in here somewhere. This is how the Samsung device shows up. So if I double click in here, here is my phone drive. And then you can get in here. Now what I did was I created an N64 Games directory. Just see here, N64 Games. That's where I put my games in. And then what you can do is you can just drag and drop the N64 emulator into here. And then you can go into your phone and install the APK just by going to your file manager and clicking on the particular file. And that will install the emulator. Okay, so here is my N64oid that I downloaded. So I'm going to just copy that. And then I'm going to paste it into my phone here. Okay, and then it is now on my phone, and I can go and click on it. There it is here. So I can just go to my file manager in my phone, click on the APK, and it will install the emulator. Now, the next thing you want to do is go find some games. So what you can do is just go to Google, and then you want to type in N64 ROMs. And then this is how you can find the games. So you can go into different sites and find them. Now there's all kinds of sites where you can find these, but just as an example, we'll look here. Okay, so let's see what happens here. You may have to go through some different sites to find a working download link. Okay, so I've downloaded that now. Now, let's do an open when done here. It's in a zip file. Okay, so here it is. Okay, so I'm going to have to go back and unzip this now. I just wanted to make sure it was here. So I'll go back and unzip. So I'll do a 7-zip and extract. Okay, here's my Legends of Zelda. Let's get the file, do a copy over to the phone side. and paste it in here. Alright, so now everything's on my phone. So let's go over to the phone now. Okay, so onto my phone, the home screen, and then we'll go into the apps, and then I'll click N64 OID. And here we are. These are my games, so I just pick one and play it on the phone.